In our kitchens, you'll find a combination microwave convection oven. So convection oven just like you'd find in your stove at home. You want to be very cautious about how you're going to be using this because that dictates what kind of containers you can put in it. Using it as a microwave, just like at home, no metal, microwave safe container. If you're using it as a convection oven, you can use heat safe glass or also metal. So big difference depending on how you're going to use it. If you open it up, you'll find a lid for microwaving. This is not appropriate for a convection oven. Just like if you're going to use it as a convection oven, out of the bottom drawer, you'll want to take the convection tray. Place it there, and you cook whatever you want right on top of there. By default, everything you do here will be microwave function. To use the convection oven, you hit Convect Cook. It'll ask you for a temperature setting. The temperatures are indicated right underneath the numbers here in small writing. For the sake of time, we'll pick 100 degrees Fahrenheit and start. You'll notice it's preheating. Once it's done preheating, it'll beep at you and start flashing right here. Preheat and 100 degrees. Then you just want to open the door, put your food inside, close it, select the cook time, we'll say 2 minutes, and then start. And you're cooking your meal for the next 2 minutes at 100 degrees Fahrenheit.